is including full link technology in its new models, providing a direct connection between your car and your smartphone. Full link allows you to access content and applications from your phone from the radio or navigator screen. To connect your smartphone to your car, your SEAT must meet the following requirements. Full link must be enabled in the radio or navigator carousel. Your smartphone must be compatible with one of the 3 types of full link connection: Mirror Link, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Your phone must be connected to the radio or navigator via USB. For Mirror Link, at least one of the apps certified with this technology will have to be installed on your device. Activation. When you connect your smartphone for the first time, Full Link will display the available connection types. Select the one you wish to use when you connect, out of Mirror Link, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The connection type shown may depend on the device used. In the Settings menu, tick the box for Activate Data Transfer for SEAT apps. A list will appear of the apps compatible with your connection type. When you open an app, you will be able to use the car touchscreen to navigate through it, just like when using your phone. Once you have selected the connection type for Full Link, your radio or navigator will remember it each time you connect your smartphone. When you connect, simply select the certified app. You can use the buttons or the option appearing at the bottom of the screen to see the other main menu items without closing the selected app. Full Link can be disconnected by removing the USB lead from the socket or by pressing Disconnect. For further information on connectivity and compatibility, visit the websites for Mirror Link or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.